stated on Friday, Toshiba is considering splitting in half and selling its air conditioning business, the Japanese industrial conglomerate. It is an attempt to overcome investor opposition to its circle back plan. The reforms would be the latest chapter in Toshiba's protracted battle with foreign shareholders, many of whom are activists and hedge funds, and would illustrate the once mighty conglomerate's struggle to resurrect itself following a spectacular fall from favor. The Nikkei previously reported that Toshiba will sell its 60% ownership in Toshiba Carrier to US partner Carrier Global for around 100 billion Japanese yen, almost $870 million, adding that the two companies had reached an agreement. Toshiba stated in a statement that since announcing the three-way split in November, the reported adjustments remain strategic options for Toshiba, the company said, adding that the specifics will be explained in investor briefings on Monday and Tuesday. According to Nikkei, Toshiba will split its device business, including its power chip unit. It has previously been planned to divide into three groups, one for energy and foundation, one for devices, and one for streak memory chips. Toshiba will set aside cash that it may return to investors as a result of the split. A two-way split might be completed with board approval under a recently reviewed policy to expedite separations where the book worth of resources to be diverted of is worth less than one-fifth of an organization's absolute resources. The three-way split would have required the assistance of 66% of investors, since the resources of the new Energy and Framework organization would have represented more than a fifth of the total. Because Toshiba is over 30% owned by foreign assets, the 67% limit may have constrained the aggregate to abandon its structure.